Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you're really doing good children. Let's start today's session. Have you all brought your books, pencils and everything? Got ready to listen the class? Very good. So open your book children, Choral Primary Term 2. In yesterday's class, we discussed about helpers, no? So one page of helpers is done. So please open page number 5454 children. See, yesterday we learned about a postman, police, farmer, sweeper, tailor, teacher, doctor. Who are they and what do they do for us? So today we'll be learning about the remaining other helpers. Yes, who is he, children? Look at the picture and say, who is he? Yes, he is a barber. B-A-R-B-E-R, barber. What does a barber do? Barber cuts a hair. Yes, our hair used to grow longer, no? We have to trim our hair for every month. Yes, monthly once we'll trim our hair. So, who trims a hair or who cuts a hair? The person is called a barber. B-A-R-B-E-R, barber. The next one, who is he, children? Of course, you may don't have an idea. He mends our shoes. Mends means he prepares our shoes. He is called as a cobbler. He prepares, he polishes, he takes care of our shoes. So that person we call him as a cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. And the next one, yes, you can identify him. You can see what's there in his hands, a plant and a shawl. So he is a gardener who takes care of plants in your schoolings, near your apartment, near your house. You have many plants now. Who will take care of your plants? Of course, in your house, your mom or dad will take care of your plants. But in an organization, so big schools, shopping malls, hospitals, parks and all, who will take care? Obviously, a gardener will take care of all the plants. When you go for a park, you'll find lots of plants. You'll sit on the grass and you'll play, no? So that kind of nice greenery is maintained by a gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. He helps to maintain and take care of plants. The next one. This one. Look at the picture carefully, children, and tell me what he's doing. Yes, he's holding one bucket and painting the orange color. He's painting the orange color. He is a painter who paints a house. Our house is very colorful now. Your bedrooms and all are very colorful in pink or blue in color. Yes, who will paint all those colors? A painter. P-A-I-N-T-E-R. Painter. P-A-I-N-T-E-R. Painter. The next. What is he doing in the sink? This is a sink. We wash our hands. We keep the vessels in the sink. No? What is he doing there? He is repairing. Yes, he got a repairing session. So he is repairing a tap. He is called as a plumber. He is called as a plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. The next one. What is he doing? He's just carrying some bottles. Bottles with milk. So he is a milkman. Daily morning a house, you'll drink a lots of milk, no? At least 1 glass of milk a day. I told to drink, you know. Don't skip the milk, children. You have to drink at least 1 glass of milk daily. So who will bring milk daily? Obviously, we'll get a milk packets or someone will come and pour the milk. So that person we call as a milkman. who delivers the milk ante intiki teeskochi ichchevalu. That man is called as a milkman. MILK, milk. MAN, man, a milkman. Next one. Yes, who is he? What is this? Very good children. This is a car. And who drives a car? A driver. Obviously in our house, our mummy or daddy or grandpa, they'll drive the cars. But outside, a van, a bus, a taxi, those will be driving by a driver. DRIVER, driver. Driver drives a vehicle. It might be car, it might be a bus, it might be a taxi, it might be a van. Then a vehicle drive chese valni, we say him as a driver. DRIVER, driver. The next last person in this page, who is he? What is he doing? My gee, it is a very sharp thing. Is he playing with it? No. He's actually doing his work. He is doing furniture. This is a wooden plank. He is doing furniture. Furniture means chairs, tables, benches, cupboards, everything we do with wood, no? So he is making all those things. So he is called as a carpenter. What we call him? As a carpenter. CARPENTER, carpenter. What is he called as? Carpenter. CARPENTER. So I'll just pronounce again for you children. Repeat along with me. Barber. BARBER, barber. Cobbler. COBBLER, cobbler. COBBLER, cobbler. Next, gardener. Gardener. GARDENER, gardener. GARDENER, gardener. Next, painter. PAINTER, painter. PAINTER, painter. Next one, plumber. Plumber. PLUMBER, plumber. PLUMBER, plumber. Next one, milkman. MILK, milk. MILK, milk. MAN, man, milkman. Next, driver. DRIVER, driver. DRIVER, driver. Next, the last one, carpenter. Carpenter. CARPENTER, carpenter. CARPENTER, carpenter. This is how. And children, for every topic we have a activity session to do. So turn your page and let's do it. Match the following. Here is a match the following, children. This side they have given the names. I told you to practice the names, no? So here they have given the names and here they have given the pictures. So pick your pencil and get ready. Yes, the first one, what is it? POLICE, police. MAN, man, policeman. So let us see who is the policeman here. This picture is a Tyler. This one, who is this? Farmer. Who is this? Yes, he is a policeman. So draw a line from the policeman to the correct image. The next one, what it is? Read it aloud. Read it, children. DOC, T-O-R, doctor. So coming from the starting again, what it is? A tailor. This one, farmer. The next one, yes, she is a doctor. She is treating a baby. So draw the line from a doctor to the image. Use scale to draw, children. Use a ruler and a pencil to draw the lines. Only join from the dot to dot. No need to join from this word to this picture. It looks ugly. The next word. Read aloud what it is. F-A-R-M-E-R. What is it known as? What we call it as? F-A-R-M-E-R. Farmer. Yes, we told no, this person is a farmer. He is not a gardener, children. He is plowing that, so he is a farmer. If you have any doubts, you can turn your page and you can see the pictures and also you can match. No problem, okay? Next, T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor. Yes, we told no, she is stitching the clothes. So, she is a tailor. Right? The next one. Now, read aloud. Read aloud, children. Read the spelling first. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. So the remaining are these two. So what is this? Just now we told he'll prepare the furniture. He is a carpenter. So he is not a teacher. Yes, here is a teacher dealing in a board. So she is a teacher. And the last and final one, C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter, who makes the furnitures. Yes, join the dots. Finally, we did the matching. Hope you completed doing, children. Understand how to do it? Yes, very good. So, today's homework is to write the hard words 5 times. The hard words I'll underline, children. Write it down. Helpers. B-A-R-B-E-R, barber. H-A-I-R, hair. C-U-T-S, cuts. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. M-E-N-D-S, mends. S-H-O-E-S, shoes. Next one, gardener. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R, gardener. Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. The next one, painter. P-A-I-N-T-E-R, painter. H-O-U-S-E, house. The next, P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. Tap, T-A-P, tap. Milkman, M-I-L-K, milk, M-A-N, man. Delivers, D-E-L-I-V-E-R-S, delivers. Driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. Vehicle, V-E-H-I-C-L-E, vehicle. Carpenter, C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter. This is a little bit big word, furniture. You'll be learning in the next classes. These are the hard words to be written 5 times, children. Ask your mama to keep in your homework. Then you can write it. And the next one, learn all these and also complete the page number 5. Do the matching. Hope you really like the session, children. You learned who are our helpers. So definitely when mama helps you in anything, you have to say, thank you. Just give you one puppy, right? Keep smiling, children. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.